Good day everyone, I'm Maros Leno and today I'm going to discuss about bed making. Bed making is important in home economics because it teaches us to be clean, neat, and responsible, and also it feels comfortable for use, and it help us it help us it ha, it help us practice skills so we can use it at home or in jobs like hotels. So let's proceed to bed making procedure. So next is strip the bed. So before you remove the bed sheets, yes, you need to check carefully if naabay na bilin or naabay na yes, I mean nabilin nga gamit sa guest. Kaya if naa din, imo siyang ibutan dito sa bed table para makuha siya, ma-return siya sa owner. So next is strengthen mattress protector. So after removing the bed sheets, make sure that the mattress protector is lying flat and smooth, so with no folds and crinkles. So para nga na to keep the bed comfortable to sleep and protects the mattress from dirt and stains. Third is place the bed sheets on the bed. After fixing the mattress protector is put a clean bed sheets on the bed over the mattress and make sure that the sheets is spread out evenly and nakatuck in siya so that it looks smooth and tidy. Next is insert the duvet in the duvet cover. So put the duvet or ang duvet is muna siya ang thick blanket and put in and put the duvet inside its cover and make sure that the level of the cover is at the bottom and end of the end of the bed and facing up so it looks neat and easy to find when 5 is place the covered duvet on the bed. So after putting the blanket inside its cover, so lay it neatly on the top of the bed and making sure it's spread bitaw para dili siya kunot, dili siya kuan, para comfortable siya doon if if ma-spread siya og cotton like smooth siya. Number 6 is fold back the duvet. So after placing the duvet on the bed, fold back the duvet to make neat and ready to use. Kay some of the kasagaran magod sa hotel is ilang kuan ilang biyaan tong duvet nga nakaantak pa bitaw, so imo jang i tuck in otro para mobile siya og neat, para it looks neat and ready to use. So lastly is tuck in the duvet and meter the corners. So after placing the duvet on the bed, tuck the edges under the mattress to keep it neat. So and the corner folds the duvet nicely. So after placing the duvet is kailangan gid nimo i-fold tanan tong i-tuck itong edges sa mattress para it looks it looks neat and comfortable siya to use din sa pod siya kaning sa corner siya sa duvet is kailangan sa nimo i-fold pagtarong para dili siya gubot lang tawon. So that's all. Thank you for listening.